Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now in this video, I am reviewing Lannister EA, and according to the marketplace information, this trading robot is available for both MT4 and MT5. In this video, I'll just walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, look at the available features and settings, and then discuss the historical backtesting information provided by the developer. Starting with the marketplace page, Lannister is developed by Arnold Bobrinski and is currently listed as version 1.6. The developer describes it as a fully automated trading robot that has been available for more than 3 years and is designed for long-term use rather than focusing on short-term performance snapshots. Okay, so one of the key points mentioned on the page is that the EA is categorized as a night scalper. The developer states that it trades during a wider nighttime window of approximately 3 to 6 hours per day, rather than concentrating on a very narrow trading period. The product also includes free live settings for customers and references a live signal and a separate MT4 version. As I continue scrolling through the page, we can see several recommended currency pairs. The developer highlights Euro CHF, GBP USD, Euro NZD, CHF JPY, and Euro AUD as preferred markets, while also mentioning that other pairs can be traded using appropriate settings. Looking at the settings section, the EA offers several operating modes. There is a portfolio mode that allows multiple pairs to be traded using pre-configured inputs, a GBP USD beast mode focused specifically on GBP USD, and a custom setup mode that lets users apply their own settings or live configuration files. The flexibility continues with direction controls, where traders can choose to allow both long and short positions or restrict trading to a single direction. There are also options for market orders or limit orders, fixed or floating lot sizing, time filters, and a maximum drawdown parameter designed to close positions if a predefined drawdown level is reached. In addition, the EA includes a waiting period setting before new trades can be opened after reaching that drawdown threshold. The developer also highlights several practical features, including a minimum recommended deposit of $100, user-friendly settings, free live sets for customers, and the fact that no martingale strategy is involved. Now let's move over to the historical testing section. The developer provides specific guidance for running backtests, recommending MetaQuotes demo data with the modeling method set to every tick based on real ticks, and a testing period starting from January 2017 through to the present. Using high quality tick data can provide a more detailed historical analysis, which is useful when evaluating automated systems. All right, now let's just briefly look at the images uploaded here. Gain of over 5,000%, $10,000 initial deposits, over $1.9 million in total net profit, and we're seeing 2017 to 2020 here. So this is 4,953 total trades. Short trades we are 2,491 with a 62.22% win rate. Long trades we are 2,462 with a 68.4% win rate. Average profit 1,606.44. Average loss 1,907.11. And we can also see that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough, but the win rate is quite okay. And when you put that side by side with the risk to reward, the average risk to reward ratio and the total number of trades taken, well, it's not exactly surprising to have a positive total net profit. Well, let's just head over to our strategy tester right now to see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. So we tested the Lannister EA on GBP USD on the H1 time frame. from the beginning of this year 2026 till date, and we use the last ping to the server for the delays. We are using the every tick modeling. Okay, so looking at the results now, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, over 15% profit was made. Total net profit 15,838.03. The total trades were 595. Short trades were 314 with a 51.91% win rate. Long trades were 281 with a 59.79% win rate. And the largest profit here is 7,415.1. Largest loss 10,458.72. The average profit is 915.47, and the average loss is 1,087.81. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is actually not good, and the win rate itself is not really good enough. But considering the fact that the difference between the average profit and average loss is not exactly so wide, even though that the loss is bigger than the profit, and for the fact that the win rate at least is over 50%, placing that side by side with 595 trades, well, it's not exactly surprising to see a positive total net profit. All right. Now, as I review the historical chart activity and completed backtest results, the focus is really on how the EA behaved over an extended testing period rather than on individual trades. Since the robot is designed for long-term operation, reviewing a broader sample of market conditions can provide more meaningful insights than shorter test windows. Okay, so looking at the available information, the ability to control trade direction, position sizing, trading sessions, and maximum drawdown suggests that risk management and customization play an important role in how the EA can be configured. However, actual historical testing performance will still depend heavily on the chosen settings and market environment. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right, so historical analysis is useful, but additional testing and optimization can help determine whether the EA fits your own trading objectives. As always, historical backtest results should never be viewed as guaranteed future performance. Results can vary depending on lot size, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, account settings, and user optimization choices. But overall, Boba Lannister EA for MT4 and MT5 presents itself as a fully automated night trading system with multiple operating modes, flexible risk controls, and long-term testing guidance from the developer. Before considering live use, it's important to perform your own testing and optimization to evaluate whether its behavior and risk profile match your trading goals. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.